What if Samsung created the ultimate A-series flagship killer for 2027? Meet the all-new Samsung Galaxy A58 5G concept, a smartphone that looks and feels more premium than ever before, with a sleek flat-edge design, glass protection on both the front and back, and a durable aluminum frame. This device brings true flagship aesthetics to the A-series lineup. And honestly, this might be the best-looking Galaxy A phone Samsung has ever made. On the back, you get a powerful triple camera setup featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor with OIS, stunning 4K 60 frames per second video recording, and smooth 2 times optical zoom. Whether you're shooting during the day or at night, Samsung's upgraded LED flash system helps capture cleaner and sharper photos. For selfie lovers and content creators, the front packs a 12-megapixel camera capable of recording crisp 4K HDR videos. Now let's talk about the display. The Galaxy A58 5G could feature a gorgeous 120Hz LTPO AMOLED display with HDR10 plus support and an incredible 2600 nits peak brightness. That means ultra-smooth scrolling, vibrant colors, and amazing outdoor visibility even under direct sunlight. Under the hood, Samsung may power this beast with the Exynos 2400E processor, paired with Android 17 and the latest One UI experience. And the best part? Samsung is expected to provide up to 6 years of major Android updates. Battery life is also getting a massive upgrade. A huge 6,000 mAh battery combined with 45-watt fast charging, wireless charging support, and USB Type-C could easily make this an all-day powerhouse. Storage options may include 8 GB or 12 GB RAM, along with 256 GB and 512 GB UFS 4.0 storage variants for blazing fast performance. For security, the phone could feature an ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and AI-powered face unlock. And yes, you also get stereo speakers, NFC, Wi-Fi 7, IP68 water and dust resistance, dual nano SIM support, eSIM compatibility, and full 5G band support. Expected price? Around $600 to $650. According to leaks and reports, the Samsung Galaxy A58 5G could launch globally around March or April 2027. So the real question is, would you choose this over an iPhone or the next flagship killer from OnePlus? Comment your thoughts below and subscribe for more futuristic smartphone concepts.